Yes, please.
Clarification lang po, Mr. President. So your instruction to ICAD in interagency is not to give the Vice President a classified information.
Need to know lang siya. You know, it is the need to know to complete her. If she asks something, then you give her half of it. The other half, if it's a classified information, there is no need for her to know.
All right. And why keep her if you don't trust her?
Wala ako. I am not keeping her. She is there. I appointed her. She's working. As a matter of fact, she's been issuing statements every day. Sinabi ko lang, I am just saying the parameters. But she is there. I do not have to fire her. She is there. She is working. Ano, in the first place, actually, what she should have done, and should understand that, is to give the direction and the guidance. And of course, instruct the law enforcement agencies to make it more transparent to her liking. Paano ba ito, ma'am? Ano bang gusto mo? Picture. Pagkatapos, o yung testigos muna, pakinggan na sa recorder. O. Ito ba yung... Make it more transparent for the people. I never said I'm firing him. I said I decided not to appoint her as a cabinet member because I think I will jeopardize the whole situation, including records classified, which are secrets. Tawag nila dyan, state secrets. That includes everything from sensitive matters with our relations with China, then with the United States, and what happened to the equipments that we bought, that it went down. There are analyses there that you remember the helicopters that crashed? 2 or 3, we paid for it. And our soldiers paid it with their lives. Been asking for an information, been asking for an investigation, nothing. So we have this, where it came from. Paano nila ni-repair, anong repair date? Kagaya ba ng noon, report visit and present